Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how you can read the smudged text on the photo, namely as you see now on the screenshot. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. This method works on both iPhone and Android. And as you can see, I have a screenshot that's smudged with a black marker. And as you can see, we can't see anything here. In order for you and I to see the text, we need to go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Market and download this free program called Snapseed. Once we've downloaded it, we go to the app. Then we click on Add Photo. Click on Gallery. Open from Device. Select our screenshot photo, like this one. Here we press Tool. Next we press Correction. Press Tool again. Here we have to put the first one, plus 100%. The second one we have to put minus 100% contrast. And everything else we put either plus 100% or minus 100%. You'll see how these settings work out for you. Here's what I've set. As you can see, we can already see the text, which is smudged, and we can see what's written there. That's how we do it. That's how it works. As you can see, the method is really working. It works and we can. As you can see the smudged text that we had on the screenshot, we can do it on absolutely any device. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.